Stop buying the X5. Seriously. For months, we've been chasing shadows and forum rumors, but the silence from Insta360 is finally over. The X6, the camera we've been waiting for, has officially hit the regulatory paper trail. It's no longer a what if, it's a when. On July 3rd, 2026, the FCC dropped the hammer. Model number CINSABXA is officially on the books. Why does this matter? Because certification isn't just paperwork. It's the final hurdle before a launch. We've seen this exact same footprint in China, India, and the UAE. This isn't a regional test run. This is a global rollout hitting the go button. Now let's talk specs. While the filing is boring, the rumor mill is burning. Here is what is currently trending for the X6 and why it's actually realistic this time. The big story here is the 1-inch sensor. If they pull this off, the X6 isn't just a 360 camera. It becomes a genuine low-light performer. And 8K at 60 frames? That's not just an upgrade. That's a total game changer for action sports and high-end creative work. So, you're looking at your current gear and wondering, do I pull the trigger on an X5 right now, or do I wait? Here is my take. If you have a professional deadline, don't wait for a ghost. But if you're a hobbyist or a casual creator, hold your cash. The FCC filing tells us we're likely looking at a late August or September launch. That is right around the corner. The X6 is the biggest update to the X series in years. But I want to know, what's the one feature you actually care about? Is it the low-light performance? Or do you just want that 60 FPS smoothness? Drop your predictions in the comments below. I'm reading every single one. If you want to be the first to know when that launch date drops, hit subscribe. Let's get into it in the comments.